I have here tools that today you will learn and what is the specific use of these. So let me start. So the first thing that I will teach you is the basic steps of how to perform a CPR. But first, you must know what is CPR. So CPR is a cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or it is the basic technique of saving someone's life who has the breath has stopped or the life is endangered. So in CPR, we have 7 basic steps. So I have here a teddy bear. So this is I will use as my example in performing the basic steps of CPR. So can we start? So the first one you should do, you should always remember, is to shake the person and shout, "Hey, hey." So like that. So the second step is you can use your cell phone to call 117. Third step is lay the person on their back and open their airways. The fourth one is check the vital sign of the person with the use of your right hand like this. So the fifth step is if you feel the person is not responding, start to perform CPR with the left hand over your right hand like this. And put your hand at the center of the chest with 30 compression until finish. And then six is the give to rescue breath. Step 7, repeat the 5 to 6 steps until the ambulance or the rescue arrive. And that's all. And those are the 7 basic steps of performing CPR. So, may I ask you, sir, to be in front? Okay, can I ask your name?
By the way, my name is Vanessa.
Okay, can you perform the 7 steps of CPR?
Of course.
Okay, so you should start. Okay, so, what is the first step?
The first step in performing CPR is shaking the person like this.
And what is the second step?
The second step is call the 117 hotline number.
Okay, good. So what is the third step, sir?
The third step is lay the person on their back and open their airways.
Okay, good. So what is the fourth step?
The fourth step is check the vital sign.
Okay. So what is the fifth step, sir?
So the fifth step is when you feel that the person is not responding, you can start performing CPR with 30 chest compression with the hands, left hand over your right hand in this position, and place your hand in the center of the chest of the victim.
Good. So what is the sixth step?
The sixth step is give to rescue breath.
Okay. So what is the last step, sir?
The last step is repeat the step 5 and 6 until the rescue arrives.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for your active participation. So those are the basic steps of performing CPR. Next, I will give you an idea on how to handle a open wound and a closed wound using these materials. So first, if you have wound here, so you will just wash this area. The second is to stop the bleeding. Get a towel and put it in a wounded area like this. And the third one is get a cotton and clean the wound area like this. And the fourth one is apply petroleum jelly. So this is the petroleum jelly and just apply it in the wounded area. And the fifth one, get a bandage and cover the wounded area. And the sixth is wash Ganson to demonstrate the basic steps of wounds. So, what are the basic steps in wounds?
So the first step is to clean the wound with water gently. And second is to get a cloth. And the third is to put antibiotic cream. And put a bandage.
Thank you, Mr. Ganson. So next, you'll get to know how to handle the first and second degree burn. So we have only 4 steps. So the first step is hold under cold water. The second is use antibiotic cream. So like this and put it in the burn area. So the third step is make a cold compress. Like this, if your burn is here, so do this. And then the fourth one is make a pain reliever for the creation of pain, and that's all. And again, Mr. Ganson, can I request you to demonstrate the basic steps of burn?
Go.
So, what are the basic steps in wounds?
The first step is to hold in the cold water.
Second,
Get some piece of cloth. And
third
third
one,
is to put antibiotic cream.
the fourth,
The fourth is to put a bandage.
very good, Mr. Ganson. So here we are to the last part of our info drive. So the last part you will learn how to manage an animal bite. So we have only 4 steps. The first one is get the soap and wash the biting area. And the second one is apply antibiotic cream. So this is an antibiotic cream and just get some of it and put it in the biting area. The third one is cover the bite with a bandage. So this is the bandage. So the fourth step, make sure that you are safe both in water. And again, Mr. Ganson, can I request you to illustrate the animal bite? So what are the basic steps in animal bite?
The first step is to clean it in water with soap. And get some piece of cloth.
Okay. Then,
The next step is to put an antibiotic cream.
the last one.
Last is to put a bandage.
Good job, Mr. Ganson.